Meet TRING, a revolutionary phone grip and multi-tool for any situation. When you need to open an important package, or if your bike suddenly breaks down, when you have an important Zoom call, and even in a real-life emergency. TRING is incredibly compact and less than 1/4 of an inch thick, milled from high-alloy, heat-resistant chromium steel and packed with tools and features. With TRING, you can attach your phone to any metallic surface. It doesn't get in the way of wireless charging, unlike other phone accessories. Use it in your car for hands-free operation. And its low profile means it easily fits in your pocket. The response for TRING online has been incredible. Be prepared for any situation with TRING. The most versatile phone holder and multi-tool in the world. Available only on Kickstarter.